Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a Bitget wallet account. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up and let's get straight into it. So as you can see right here, you can create a new wallet or import a wallet. For this video, let's create a new wallet and set your PIN to retrieve your wallet. Now, Bitget wallet account has been created. You can tap here if you want to create additional wallet. Underneath will be navigation tabs such as Market, Trade, Discover, and Wallet. Under the Wallet tab, you can see your total balance. Right here, you can see all the transaction button and the list of crypto you have and so much more. The most important part is to backup your wallet. To do it, just tap the backup button here. Please note your mnemonic phrase is equivalent to your wallet password, so keep it safe. Transcribe your mnemonic phrase by hand or store it securely on an offline device. Copying or screenshotting the mnemonic phrase poses a significantly case risk, endangering your assets. So take notes here, guys. And lastly, store your mnemonic phrase in a safe place. Lost mnemonic phrase will result in asset loss. I hope this video helped you and thanks for watching.